for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system.
When purchasing an Acura certified pre-owned vehicle, you can expect the same uncompromising standards of a brand new Acura. The Acura dealership technicians ensure that every vehicle upholds the luxury and sophistication of the Acura name. Acura certified pre-owned. Once an Acura, always an Acura.